Hey, so we're back. Now, the omelet is fully cooked. It's important to not overcook your eggs. I had the flame on a medium flame, and as you can see, I folded it more than a few times. So we're going to look at the way it just falls out. Oh, that's beautiful. Just falls out, and I want to show you the pan. Now I had 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted Breakstone's butter is what I used, and it's very good, and it has no flavor to it, no salt. And so we have the shrimp in there, we have the mozzarella cheese, we have the butter obviously, and we have the beautiful 4 eggs. And I'm gonna taste this. I'm looking for the shrimp. There you guys go. Again, sorry about the camera angles. And it's so alive. So I really want to taste test this for you. Let you know how it comes. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Look at that. That's a shrimp and that's mozzarella cheese. And my goodness. Very good. I'm sorry. I talk with my mouth full, but that's delicioso. Again, it's butter, 4 eggs, beaten. The shrimp is boiled, deveined, shelled, so it's fully cooked. And then I added 2 platelets of mozzarella cheese. So, and that's it for today's cooking. I'm going to also tell you, you budding chefs out there, it's important to clean while you're cooking. Okay, so you got to wash the dishes while everything is cooking, and then you can get back to it. All right, so that's it for today. I love everybody out there. Buon appetito!